Welcome to the lecture on Engineering Statistics and Linear Algebra. In my previous lectures, I discussed about what is meant by multiple random variables and also PDF, CDF based on the multiple random variables, two-dimensional Gaussian random variables, sum of two independent random variables, sum of IID random variables, and also central limit theorem based on sum of IID random variables. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss briefly about the application exercise based on the multiple random variables. The first case is chi-square random variable. So it is denoted by the Greek symbol chi, like this, chi-square. So now the chi-square random variable, it is denoted by capital V of order small r is defined as capital V is equal to summation I from 1 to r xi square. So where this xi is a Gaussian random variable with PDF as given like f of x is equal to 1 by square root of 2 by e power minus x square by 2 minus infinity less than x less than infinity. As we know that in the case of Gaussian random variables, always the expectation of x or mean of x will be equal to 0 and variance of x series will be equal to 1. So since the expectation of x will be equal to 0, obviously I can equate e of x square will be equal to variance of x. Since the variance of x formula is given by e of x square minus e of x whole square. So since e of x is 0 here, I will be getting e of x square will be equal to variance of x will be equal to unity. So in the case of chi-square random variable also, we can use the same property, that is mean of x will be equal to 0 and variance of x will be equal to 1 for the chi-square random variable case. So now I'm going to convert this chi-square random variable as a two-dimensional random variable. That is, the PDF of chi-square random variable can be obtained by the theory of two-dimensional random variables. That is, its PDF is defined as f of v is equal to 1 by gamma of r by 2 2 power r by 2 v power r by 2 minus 1 into e power minus v by 2, where v is greater than or equal to 0, I mean v is non-negative, and the value of f of v will be equal to 0 for v is less than 0. So where this gamma of this variable, so will be called as an gamma function. So now the mean, variance and the characteristic function of this random variable capital V is expressed with the help of two-dimensional random variable as follows. So now as though I converted the chi-square single random variable into multiple random variable. So now for this multiple random variable case, for the chi-square random variable, what is the value of mean, variance and the character function we will see now. The mean of the random variable capital V is denoted by r. The variance of the random variable v is given by 2r, and the characteristic function of the random variable v is given by 1 minus 2j omega whole power minus r by 2. So now finally this chi-square random variable will be can be useful in statistics where the Gaussian random variables are squared and added. So for that particular case I can be useful the chi-square random variable, and this is an example of sum of IID random variables. Case number 2 is student's t random variable. The student's t random variable capital T of order small r is defined as capital T is equal to capital X divided by square root of capital V by r is equal to square root of small r by V into capital X, where r is nothing but order, V is nothing but chi-square random variable, and X is nothing but Gaussian random variable. So since here I am taking also Gaussian random variable, obviously mean will be 0 and variance will be equal to 1. So as I told that here x is a Gaussian random variable, the PDF of f of x is equal to 1 by square root of 2 pi e power minus x square by 2, with the range of x is minus infinity less than x less than infinity. And as I told that expectation of x or mean of x will be equal to 0, expectation of x square and variance of x will be equal to 1. So where v is a chi-square random variable of order same order r. So now we'll see what is the PDF after converting it into joint PDF. So like from the theory of joint PDF, the PDF of students T random variable of order R is given like this. So now I'm converting the student single random variable into multiple random variable, that is f of t will be equal to gamma of r plus 1 by 2 divided by square root of pi r gamma of r by 2 into 1 plus t square by r whole power r plus 1 by 2. The range of t is minus infinity less than t less than infinity. So here we can note that the f of t is an even function. The mean and variance of students t random variable of all is given as follows. The mean of the random variable t or expectation of t is given by 0, and variance of t, I mean the expectation of t square is given by r minus 2 for r is greater than 2. So this students t random variable of order r is not defined for the value of r is less than or equal to 2. So this formula will be applicable only for the values of r is greater than 2, not for the values of r is less than or equal to 2. So now finally the student's random variable can be useful in statistics again. Next one is Cauchy's random variable. The Cauchy's random variable is denoted by capital W and is defined by capital W is equal to A into capital X by capital Y with A is greater than 0. So here we can observe that the formula is incorporated with two Gaussian random variables X by Y and the ratio has been taken here. So we'll see how to find the PDF of the Cauchy's random variable now. So here zero mean of Gaussian random variable is divided into another zero mean of Gaussian random variable as I told now. Okay, so now from the theory of two-dimensional random variables, the PDF of Cauchy's random variable is given as follows. So f of w is equal to a divided by pi into w square plus a square with the range of w is minus infinity less than w less than infinity with a is greater than 0. So, and the corresponding CDF for the given PDF of Cauchy's random variable is given by f of w is equal to integration minus infinity to omega w f of x dx. So it is given by 1 by pi tan inverse of w by a plus 1 by 2. So now the characteristic function of this Cauchy's random variable is given by xi of w is equal to e power minus a by w. So in this Cauchy's random variable case, the mean and variance will not be existing. Since the Cauchy's random variable has zero median, so in this case, the mean and variance will not be exist for the Cauchy's random variable. So such random variables are useful where there is a division by zero mean of Gaussian random variables. So next case is Rayleigh's random variable. So to prove this Rayleigh's random variable, I'm taking a figure. So consider a rectangular and cylindrical coordinates as shown in the figure. So take an x and y plane. In the x and y plane, take a circle of radius r. Choose a point P having the coordinates x and y as a rectangular coordinates here and the cylindrical coordinates theta and rho, where theta is an angle of the given circle. So hence I can conclude that the value of rho will be equal to square root of x square plus y square. So now our interest is to define the PDF of the observation lies within the circle of radius r. That is P of x comma y belongs to r will be, I mean the values of the rectangular coordinates x comma y belong to the region r will be given by f of capital F of r will be equal to double integral over the region r of the function, the PDF function f of x comma y dx dy. So where r is the region within the circle of radius r. So here the PDF of x is given as f of x is equal to 1 by square root of 2 pi sigma x into e power minus x square by 2 into sigma square. So this also represents a Gaussian random variable with zero mean and variance of sigma square with unity. So now from the theory of two-dimensional random variables, the PDF of r I'm going to define now. That is f of r is equal to r sigma square, r by sigma square, e power minus r square by 2 sigma square for r is greater than or equal to 0. This is called Rayleigh PDF it gives the distribution observation point within the circle of radius r is equal to square root of x square plus y square, and sigma square is the variance of x. So now finally the CDF of Rayleigh's random variable is given as f of r is equal to 1 minus e power minus r square by 2 sigma square, 2 into sigma square of the x random variable x for r is greater than 0 or equal to 0. So now finally the PDF of r is obtained from the PDF of x and y from the theory of two-dimensional random variables. So hence these four are the some application exercise based on the multiple random variables. Thank you.